Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send a Dogecoin from Kraken to Trust Wallet. First thing I want you to do is just launch up your Trust Wallet and then just come here, tap on receive. Right, you choose the crypto that you want to receive. For this example, I just show you Bitcoin, but the same process with Dogecoin as well. I'm showing you Bitcoin because I have that one. So you click here to copy the address. Okay, you can come here and copy the address. You can scan the code as well. We'll just copy this. Open your Kraken. Okay, and then you come here, look for your Dogecoin. In this case, I'll just do BTC as an example. So here we have our Bitcoin, tap on that, and you can scroll down here. You can choose on withdraw, and then you choose a network, okay? So whatever network your Dogecoin is on, for Bitcoin, I'll just do the Bitcoin network, okay? Enter the amount that you'd like to withdraw, and then you can enter your new address after you've selected that, and then you'll be pasting it in, okay? So we'll paste it in from a trust, which we had copied. So allow paste, and then hit continue. You can add an account nickname, continue, and just proceed with the withdrawal. Really that easy. If you found it helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.